u nongilam kalyang persya hakaying dobar thawain kajalla u Dr. Mukul sangma ulo ongba ka Jingpynkynriah kam kha ya ki officer kadai kadak kabasai babaro larkti lut ha ka jingkhayi Beain yau Dewiong ha kajalla da ka bakentu ki officer bakin kiar nak banlong agent jongki riu bamsam u Dr. Mukul loko bro ya ka Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kabalakam ba dangdon hadu laifu arton u Dewiong haki dipon ha bakren berkilar thai kubor ha kani ka sitho ding u Dr. Mukul ongru lolong bokloi ban i sendon ya ka kam san hima lada jaba ka Sarkar kala ban pensisa badang don hadu laifu ar lakton u Dewiong haki dipan ulo ong ba kibriu kibren kti haki kam khai Dewiong Beain kibren kam da ka boi yasalalang ban penslam khnang ban lilam yu Dewiong baladep se ya uba ka jingdon ni jingbun jong u ladep pan paw hakmat ka Supreme Court uniu no yalam kalyang persya ulo ong ba ka jingya Beain lale da kibriu kibayo manto shimat klem da perkhat ka jingyo bah ka pisa syaka Sarkar jela ulo ong ru ba hakini kisngi kibedangwan un salai banjurib hi yaki dipot bu Dewiong baper ha ka jalla bu lokhot lawe ki riu pai ba bat kiseng tre mon soba ba kini dan lang lada ki kwa banya da ya ka jalla Meghalaya.
How much coal is left in different districts of those coal mining districts? East Jingpynkynriah Hills, West Khasi Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills, South Garo Hills. We will go and see. If you say that, okay, government has not engaged in this looting, the coal will be still there. That delay is seen as the modus operandi to facilitate this coal to be lifted and transported illegally without paying royalty to the state. If this is not an act of money laundering, then what is it? If anybody wants to challenge me, they can accompany me to those sites, to the ground zero, and see where the coal are. They have shown paperwork, everything. It's well scripted modus operandi. Well scripted. There must be a wonderful script writer to engage his DIN activities. And they must be well paid, these script writers. You know? Very well scripted. Okay, somebody has to file an FIR. Then somebody will go and do inquiry, and they will say that, okay, this is unclaimed coal. And then they go for auction. You know, then what happens? What is the modus operandi? Modus operandi is that with this issue of challan, they will keep on transferring one after another truck. It's not just one truck. You just go to this Morankrang road today. Go to Shillong bypass. Watch how many trucks will go with 12 tires wala. What is the total quantity of coal indicated in the challan? 9 tons? 12 tons? Have you seen trucks carrying 9 tons of coal anywhere? Who are they cheating? If this is not money laundering, then what it is? Where is this royalty going? Who the hell is getting this royalty? It should come to government exchequer. Today you see the district council's problem. What is happening in district council? You're crying for resources. Jingpynkynriah is autonomous district council. Garo is autonomous district council. These royalty shares are supposed to take care of the resources need of these autonomous district councils. They are destroying our autonomous district councils. They're destroying our state. I am telling every citizen of this state, come and stand in the national highway and find out how many trucks are going with 9 metric ton challan and how many challans are being sealed. Who is weighing it? Is there weightman going on? There was a guideline issued by Honorable NGT as to how the coal should be transported. That guideline is not being followed. That guideline is not being followed. And the officers who are responsible to implement these guidelines are the Chief Secretary and the DGP. How much of money that should have come to government exchequer has been ultimately siphoned off through this modus operandi. Now, it is not possible for one individual to do it. There is a complete machinery which is involved. That's why you see rampant transfer, repeated transfer and posting of officers. And I would like to warn these officers, if they go on acting as an agent of this corrupt politicians, God help them. Because we are not going to allow state to be looted, we will take recourse to legal action. And to prove things beyond reasonable doubt, the act of corruption which I am placing before all of you is that we are going to see on the spot, see from ground zero, and tell the world that, look, what is truth. It's not a mere allegation. We have watched them. We have been vigilant. We have tried to correct them. Number of times we have drawn the attention of the government. Did you see any response? I saw the Chief Minister just recently saying people have to change their mindset. What is he telling? People have to change their mindset about this transportation of coal. If anybody can go and prove that this 32,000 coal has not been lifted and they're still there, I will quit politics.